Hi, my name is Dr. James Kosiur, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at McKenzie Hospital. And as an orderly, I watched a lot of orthopedic surgery and became more and more interested in orthopedic surgery. From there, I went on to medical school, and I was very open to other areas of medicine, but for some reason just kept gravitating towards the specialty that I'm in presently. I do a lot of total hips and total knee replacements, and also shoulder rotator cuff repairs, but also I've taken on an interest with doing scopes or arthroscopy. A newer up-and-coming field is called hip arthroscopy, where I will actually put a scope in a hip and repair structures inside the hip without doing a total hip replacement. It's not really a replacement for a total hip, but in younger patients, they may have problems that can be fixed through a scope than a larger open procedure. I find the thumb area very nice, very refreshing, and the people are very friendly to work with.